Hi friends. Today we're going to talk about discipline, one of the most important habits for achieving success in any area of life. Discipline is the ability to stick to your commitments and goals, even when you don't feel like it. Unlike motivation, which comes and goes, discipline is a skill that works consistently. Without it, it's hard to make progress, whether in studies, work, or personal life. If you're just starting your journey towards self-discipline, this video is for you. I'll walk you through the most common mistakes beginners make and give you simple steps to develop this essential skill. Common mistakes beginners make. Let's start with the mistakes that often hold people back from becoming disciplined, trying to do everything at once. Many people begin with big plans and try to implement multiple new habits all at once, like working out, learning a new language, and tackling big projects simultaneously. The result? Burnout and disappointment. Setting vague goals. People often set goals that are too broad, like, I want to be better. But what does better even mean? Without clear and specific goals, it's difficult to track progress. Relying on motivation. Many wait for inspiration to strike before taking action. But motivation is unreliable, it comes and goes. Discipline, on the other hand, keeps you moving forward regardless of how you feel. Now, let's dive into how you can build discipline step by step. Start small. Choose one simple habit to begin with. For example, drink a glass of water every morning or spend 5 minutes planning your day. Small wins are the foundation for bigger achievements. Use a reward system. Reward yourself for completing tasks. This can be something small, like watching your favorite TV show or treating yourself to a snack after finishing your work. Set a clear daily schedule. Assign specific times for each habit or task. A structured day makes it easier to stay disciplined. Avoid distractions. Social media, phones, and noise are common distractions. Eliminate them to stay focused on what truly matters. Track your progress. Keep a journal or checklist of your completed tasks. Seeing how far you've come can be incredibly motivating and helps reinforce your discipline. Let's look at an inspiring example. Famous author Stephen King writes 6 pages every single day, no matter his mood. Thanks to this disciplined routine, he's written dozens of bestsellers. His story shows that consistent daily progress, even small, leads to massive success over time. Think about how discipline could help you. Waking up earlier to pursue your hobbies, dedicating 30 minutes a day to learning a new skill, or simply sticking to your commitments. The results will speak for themselves. Discipline isn't something you're born with, it's a skill you develop over time. Start small, stay consistent, and the results will follow. Remember, it's not about how motivated you are, it's about the actions you take every day. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss new content. Leave a comment below and share where you'll start developing your discipline. Good luck on your journey to success.